guys, this is me Shweta Sharda
It's me, Lucky.
and you guys are watching us on Awesome TV. Keep watching.
When TikTok was there,
Yes.
everyone was like, on TikTok all the time, watching your TikToks basically
Yeah.
and stuff. Suddenly one day, TikTok comes to an end.
It was sad, but next day Reel came, no?
Yeah, Instagram was rapid.
Feels like ugly
They are prepared. Yes.
A lot of girls do not go for beauty pageants because they're afraid of the fact that they'll have to wear a bikini.
It's not just a bikini round. It's a round where you have the power and the right to just show everyone that you're comfortable with your own body type.
लकी डांसर जो नाम है वो किस तरह से पड़ा बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आज भी जानना चाहते
Even
हैं
I wanna know
yeah
this.
even yeah see
I used to do audition when I was maybe 14 or 13 years old for DID, Super Dance and everywhere. They usually ask me like, do you have Facebook? I was like, no, I don't use. And they're like, okay, let me create for you. So someone created my account on Facebook and it's called like Lucky Dancer Lucky. And by mistake, Alhamdulillah, I get famous from social media and now people know me as a Lucky Dancer.
there are people who do not reveal their age at all. लकी की भी एक दोस्त है रिवा वो तो एज ही नहीं बताती.
देखो मैं किसी के बारे में बात नहीं कर
हाँ,
सकता पर
but-
आपको क्या लगता है मैं कितने साल का हूँ? आज आपसे ही पूछता
चलो 19 और 20.
मैं 22 का हो जाऊंगा.
Like I would never lie about my age, even though people think that I have that maturity. I'm 23 right now, but people think that I'm 27, 28 because of the maturity.
Hi, this is Astha Tripathi and welcome to Awesome TV, which lets you be simply awesome. Today we have with us Shweta and Lucky, of course, for their new song Doriye. Of course, Doriye को बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है. पहले तालियां बजा देते हैं. Yes, Doriye को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिल रहा है. Lucky, Shweta, किस तरह के कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं? किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हो आप?
Firstly, thank you so much for that energetic introduction to both of us.
Yeah.
And talking about Doriye, we are getting immense love from like all over the world. I should say. आपको हमेशा एक इनर फीलिंग होती है जब आप किसी चीज़ पे बहुत मेहनत करते हो. Not just आप पूरी unit, पूरे director, producer, choreographer, all the people who are involved in that song. There's some kind of a satisfaction level and that that peace that कि जो जिस पे हमने एक vision था लोग तक पहुंचा है तो it's a great feeling. Like I feel we feel immensely grateful for the love and I feel like grateful is the word for me.
Yeah, same for me. Like if you see Dorian now, it's
Yeah.
on trending everywhere, and it's. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. First of all, because like how Shweta said, like me, Shweta, our producer, director, even entire team. वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे सब ने बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया है and उसके बाद हमें बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिल रहा है
जी.
जिसके लिए ऑफ कोर्स आर्टिस्ट वेट करते हैं.
Exactly. Like we seek for this
Yes.
kind of appreciation from people that the work you have done is actually getting applaud and the praises from everyone. That all we seek as an artist, and we are actually getting that. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for keeping like us in your hearts, and
So how is the whole feeling like?
feeling is incredible. And I feel like as an artist we all seek for appreciation and praises on the work that we have put in so much hard work, and not just us, all the unit, all the producers, that all the director and everyone in this world, like they seek for appreciation from people, and all of us, we have given our all out in this song, and finally Doriye is trending everywhere. I have recently seen where people are literally grooving on Doriye everywhere on like
Even
in
you guys are on the
Delhi.
music video very clearly.
Even every day I'm listening to this song.
Yeah.
Exactly, from the very first time when I heard the song, I was like, this song is a banger, and like everyone will be grooving on this like for sure in the coming days, and I manifested that, and that is actually happening now, so it feels great. Thank you so much for giving so much love to Doriye, guys.
लकी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू टेल यू लकी डांसर जो नाम है वो किस तरह से पड़ा बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आज भी जानना चाहते हैं.
Even I wanna know
Yeah,
this.
even yeah, see now we both want
Don't
to
say
know.
this. I
Like,
told
see, I
you,
know
right?
that you
Chalo,
love
now you have to
dancing,
explain.
but still,
Yeah.
I want to listen.
Lucky dancer.
Okay, so it started like this. Like I used to do audition when I was maybe 14 or 13 years old for dancing, like reality shows, like DID, Super Dance, and everywhere. I just
Yeah.
go for auditions. So they usually ask me like, "Do you have Facebook?" So I was like, "No, I don't use." And they're like, "Okay, let me create for you like account." And I was like, "Okay, go ahead." So someone created my account on Facebook, and it's called like Lucky Dancer Lucky. So when I used to sign, like about to create my Instagram or like Musically or TikTok,
Yeah.
so I just did a link with that Facebook account. So it turned into Lucky Dancer 5454. And by
Oh.
mistake, Alhamdulillah, I get famous from social media, and now people know me as a lucky dancer, but me only lucky.
But Lucky, let's talk about the reality where I feel that, you know, when TikTok was there,
Yes.
everyone was like, you know, on TikTok all the time, watching
Yes.
your reels, watching your TikToks basically and stuff. Suddenly one day, TikTok comes to an end.
Oh.
What was that feeling? That day, that particular day, because आपकी मेहनत है यार.
Yes, actually, this. It was sad, but next day reel came, no?
Yeah, next, yeah, Instagram is rapid.
Feels like अगले दिन
They're
भी
prepared.
motivation.
Yes, they're prepared, guys. And you know what?
This was literally the same feeling. Like अगले दिन अपने मोहल्ले में reels आई, just like that.
And what is the like? See, first of all, of course, like I did really hard work. You
Yeah.
can say, because even on Instagram, people are like, even if you see influencers and actors, they are coming into social media, and actors,
Yeah.
influencers going to OTT and like straight to the web series and movies and reality shows. So it's kind of like collaboration is going on with
Yeah.
between Bollywood and influencers,
Yes,
right?
it is.
And I feel everyone knows social media power nowadays.
Yeah.
Even our song is going viral on social media, on Instagram, it's on
Absolutely.
trending, and alhamdulillah. But I feel there was a part where I feel like, यार इतना मेहनत किया था, सब चला गया. But second day I look up to me and I was like, lucky. आपने मेहनत करी थी वहाँ पे उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और आप अभी भी हो. So platform is just giving you the space where you can perform. हाँ, yes. एंड उसके बाद वो इंसान आप ही हो जो दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी जाके चीज़ें कर सकते हो. तो आई स्टार्टेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड. एंड देन आई ऑलरेडी सेड लॉट ऑफ टाइम, लाइक आई स्टार्टेड एज एन डांसर एंड देन एक्टर, बट आई गॉट माई फेम फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया.
Yeah.
बट शायद अल्लाह ने मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लिखी थी, तो आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरीथिंग.
Sweet.
Sweet. Shweta, coming to you, of course, Miss Universe 2023, and it is really hard to achieve. I won't say that it's very easy. It's a milestone. It is definitely. But you know, certain amount of followers you should have so that you can grow in life. Does that take a toll on you? Because now you have, but eventually, I don't think that time it was there. You started from the scratch, as you were talking about.
Exactly. So I feel for me, followers, I'm just talking from my point of view and my opinion. For me, followers, like they never played a very vital role where I have doubted on my own capabilities and my own talent. But of course, if we're talking about in today's world, I feel somewhere like from all the perspective, from all the people, they ask you that how many followers do you have.
They do.
They like for every work they just see like how many followers do you have. तो कई बार ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ जहाँ पे they have asked me like do you have like how many followers, like I have this much followers. It's like okay, so like they were taking for like I never got a call back from them. It's like it's okay, they are lost, because I feel followers is just a number. I feel even like as a person I have that talent that, and I feel दुनिया ऐसी है कि जहाँ पे आपके पास कोई opportunity आती है, and if you are ready for that, if you have worked extremely hard towards that, and जैसे ही वो आती है और if you are fully ready, and you never know कब कोई चीज़ like can take you anywhere.
Yeah.
So you just have to wait for that. I'm waiting for that opportunity. And for this, talking about this pageant journey also, everyone knows that I started my journey as a dancer, where I have done a lot of reality shows. I have represented myself as a dancer.
Yeah.
So I've never thought, of course I wanted to represent India, whether like in dancing or in any other craft that I have in me.
Yeah.
But I have never imagined that I would be representing India as Miss Universe India. So that happened, and I was extremely grateful, because I remember the crown that I have with me right now. Every girl in India, they dream to wear that crown. So for me, that is a big deal more than having millions of followers, because I feel like the talent I hold, the hard work that I have put in to reach from a different city to Bombay, and creating my own world here is a big deal for me, rather than thinking about or spending time thinking about that I don't have much followers. मेरी लाइफ में एक चीज़ है कि जितना है उसके लिए मैं ग्रेटफुल हूँ, जो नहीं है उसके लिए मैं मेहनत कर लूँगी.
Wow, amazing. That's something I should also, learn to do it. But talking about the fact, okay, that a lot of girls do not go for beauty pageants because they're afraid of the fact that they'll have to wear a bikini.
Yeah.
But now that round is also like
Yeah,
cut,
it's
and it's
compulsory.
optional.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now it's optional.
I
Now
feel
it's
that,
optional.
like,
So
I
yeah.
think talking about bikini, I just have to say that it's not just a bikini round. It's a round where you have the power and the right to just show everyone that you're comfortable with your own body type. Right
Yeah.
now in pageant, inclusivity is everywhere. I feel in web series, in movies, where you see like a lot of girls who are chubby. They are still beautiful in their own shape. They are exploring. They are embracing their own body type. I think that is the best thing that has happened over the time, over the years. I think so. Pageant is something that is embracing inclusivity. So I think that specifically that bikini round जो हमारा होता है, and I think I enjoy that the most because जब आप किसी चीज़ के लिए मेहनत करते हो and you are beautifully confident on stage, you're showcasing that like मैं जैसे भी हूँ, मैं बहुत प्राउड हूँ खुद को लेके. मैंने बहुत मेहनत की. आई थिंक दैट राउंड इज, आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ अ perspective where people can see from a different perspective and they can change their perspective and look the bikini round in this way, that they are embracing their own self on stage so beautifully. So I think it's just that.
Amazing, yeah. I mean, this perspective is also great to know.
I know, yeah.
Okay, talking about the song, you guys had a great chemistry. How did that chemistry come from?
It's called like maybe pure friendship first of
I
all.
swear, like
Yes.
जो लोग बोलते हैं ना that chemistry that starts from friendship and
Yeah.
it
Yes.
starts from the energy and that certain kind of fun moments that we create together. So me and Lucky, we know each other since 3 years.
Yes.
How?
So we
Yeah,
connected through
that's a story.
Yeah,
Instagram,
we
yeah.
connected through Instagram. Like it's obvious now. Like
Yeah.
people know each other. It's like everything is just one text away. So he texted me, and he was like, "The best thing about Lucky is I want to add on here that he's someone he never take a step back before complimenting others."
That's
so he
sweet.
texted me that you dance so beautifully, and
You deserve it.
thank you. Come out of the character.
No, seriously, like how you
Yeah.
said before about your journey to the Miss Universe as well. Like I just want to say, like, of course she said the right. Like, people doesn't need a million followers on
Yeah.
Instagram. To be honest, they just need a million hearts, which she already stole from
Oh
everywhere.
wow.
So.
No, that's again a compliment.
That's so sweet.
मैं क्या करूं?
ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे देता है and blush खुद कर जाता है बाद में. What is this?
नहीं वो एक आपकी स्माइल देखी फिर मैं क्या करूं?
Oh my
Guys,
god.
I'm going with this.
This
Guys,
is going to a
not coming out
different
of the character, please.
This is going to a different tangent.
God. Yeah, tell me. वो कुछ पूछ रहे थे
Yeah.
आपसे.
लकी सवाल भूल गया.
हाँ, pardon.
लकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते करते सवाल भूल
जी
गया.
जी.
नहीं, मैं बस वही पूछ रही थी कि आपके लिए म्यूजिक वीडियो कैसा रहा इनके साथ. केमिस्ट्री कैसे आई? Bond
केमिस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने बताया हमारी फ्रेंडशिप पहले बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. इस वजह से हमने केमिस्ट्री में कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई हमें. एक्चुअली हमने सोचा भी नहीं कि केमिस्ट्री बनानी है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
Yeah, I feel that. Sorry, you were saying something.
No, you can go
You were
ahead.
saying?
Yeah, ladies first.
You were saying something to me that.
Okay, so everything was going smooth on the set and rehearsal. Even जब सॉन्ग आया तो हमने देखा कि रिजल्ट भी काफ़ी अच्छा आया हुआ है. मतलब श्वेता के लिए तो यार वो एक बेस्ट. ऑफ कोर्स देखिए ब्यूटी में भी 100 एंड उसके बाद डांस भी 100, तो मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी इसमें. बट माशाल्लाह सारी चीज़ें
Yeah.
अच्छी आई हैं और सॉन्ग इज़ गोइंग रियली वेल. एंड येस, everything was good that time. Even now I feel this song is gonna be like billion. Even हम जब शूट करने जा रहे थे तभी मैंने बोला था कि इस पे मिलियन नहीं बिलियन व्यूज आने चाहिए.
And also I feel as like we both are artists and I think the chemistry that we have tried to create on the song, that was a requirement of that beautiful song that's sung by Nikita Gandhi and Varun Jain. If you listen to the song, the second thought it will come in your mind that there are two people that they are enjoying, like the vibe of the song is so beautiful and like हमें वो बहुत इजी लगा. आई डोंट थिंक हमने उसमें बहुत एफर्ट्स लगाया है केमिस्ट्री के लिए. आई फील दैट वाज सो नेचुरल. एंड जब गाना इतना ब्यूटीफुल हो तो हम आर्टिस्ट के लिए वो थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है दैट टू बिल्ड अप दैट केमिस्ट्री. आई फील.
Yeah, I have one question for you, Lucky. So, what I feel is when you started with your influencing journey, that time not a lot of people were into influencing.
Yes.
And now, you know, everybody wants to be an influencer. So, my question is that if everybody wants to be an influencer, then who is getting influenced?
What a beautiful
Me,
question.
actually, see, I feel everyone, like even today I will maybe learn something from you, and tomorrow you will learn something from me,
Yeah.
right? So it's just like give and take.
Yeah.
So maybe जो जिन्हें मैं इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा हूँ मुझसे इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं किसी चीज़ को देख के, और जो मेरे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मतलब दोस्त हैं या मेरे जो मुझे फॉलो कर रहे हैं, माइट बी आई एम ऑल्सो वॉचिंग देयर वीडियोज एंड आई एम लर्निंग समथिंग फ्रॉम दैम. सो इट्स लाइक अ सर्कल और चेन. It's going
But don't you think
everywhere.
it's a threat कि अब सबको ही influencers बनना है? बहुत
यार,
लोगों को
अब
बहुत
देखिए।
easily followers मिल जा रहे हैं.
अगर इस बारे में बात करें तो यार अगर आप देखें, अगर अभी जब हमें पता चला कि यार सलमान सर हैं, शाहरुख सर हैं, ऋतिक सर हैं, तो सब एक्टर्स बनने आ गए, राइट. हमें पता चला कि रेमो सर हैं, धर्मेश सर हैं, है ना, सारे डांसर्स बनने आ गए. सो अभी जब पता चला इन्फ्लुएंसर पैसे मिल रहे हैं तो क्यों नहीं.
पैसे मिल रहे हैं तो क्यों नहीं? पैसे अच्छे खासे हैं.
बात है क्या?
देखो मैं यार मैं पता है मेरा ऐसे ही है कि मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हूँ और
Yeah.
मैं सच बोलता हूँ, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलता.
He's a full filmy guy, guys. Please
बस
don't
अभी
talk about
धर्मा
this
प्रोडक्शन
guy.
से मिलने वाला हूँ.
ओह वाओ, ये देखो बड़े बड़े
बोल तो दिया, प्लीज कॉल कर लेना.
यहाँ से मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया है लकी ने.
मैनिफेस्ट यार
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है.
बट टॉकिंग अबाउट यू, ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स के बाद एक्टिंग एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप होता है जो बहुत सी ऑफ कोर्स बहुत वुमेन लेती है. आपका क्या ख्याल है इस चीज़ पर, एंड किस तरह से आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफर हुए हैं या स्क्रिप्ट की वजह से आपने एक स्टेप पीछे ले लिया?
See, I'll tell you, my aim was to become an actress only from the childhood. जो एक मूवी थी ना कि मैं हीरोइन बनना चाहती हूँ, आई थिंक वो सच है. बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ ये सपना देखती हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम it all depends on like how much hard work you are doing, how much honest you are with your own craft. And I'm someone like I don't like rushing into things. I can calmly wait for the right opportunities. Of course I'm getting projects, but at the same time there's a vision in my head that in a way that I wanted to present myself in a movie or in a web series. See, I'm open for all kind of movies, web series, but at the same time there's something that needs to excite me, like to actually explore that character. So I'm waiting for that strong character or a great script from the people. Yeah, so
Before going, one thing I have to say that, you know, when people ask what's your age, does that also take a toll on you? Because there are people who do not reveal their age at all. लकी की भी एक दोस्त है रीवा, वो तो एज ही नहीं बताती अपनी.
यार देखो मैं किसी के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता, पर आपको क्या लगता है मैं कितने साल का हूँ? आज आपसे ही पूछते.
चलो लकी 19 और 20. 19 और 20 में से एक है, पहले वो बताओ.
अभी आपको एक बोलना, अभी यहाँ पे वो केबीसी थोड़ा ना चल रहा है 7 करोड़.
20.
20 आप रॉन्ग है, मैं 22 का हो जाऊंगा.
22.
हाँ जी,
मतलब ठीक है, क्लोज. आप बताइए.
मतलब ऑलमोस्ट आई एम
see,
20.
I'm very much upfront about my age because I feel आपकी एज अगर बढ़ भी रही हो, that means you are getting more experience in your life. You have come this far. So I feel there's nothing to hide about. Like I would never lie about my age, even though people think that I have that maturity. I'm 23 right now, but people think that I'm 27, 28 because of the maturity. Maybe I don't know, but I take that very beautifully because if they think that I'm mature, so I feel like that's a good thing.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much, and it was amazing having a conversation with you all. Simply
Thank you
awesome.
so much. Thank you, Awesome, for having us.